How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another 2022 episode. If you guys watched the previous videos, you noticed we were on the East Coast on the big hydro. For those people that keep asking, what happened to the big boat? I still got the big boat. It's just I only use that in Miami, and I use the hopper here on the West Coast. And it's much easier to be on the water here. We tend to use the hopper a little bit more. We decided to get away from it all. You know, the family life, the kids. You got to do it once in a while. So we decided to just enjoy ourselves here at the West Coast house. And the good thing is, the best part is, you know what the best part is? Food. And that's what we're gonna have here. We're gonna go ahead and buy some New York strips that we're gonna do it on the grill, but I don't know where. And I'm just gonna head out on the water and see where we wind up. It could be at the beach, it could be at an island, it could be on the boat. I mean, I don't know. We're just gonna head out and just go. So it's one of those days, just no schedule, no time. Just the only thing we got planned is have some good steaks on the grill. And you guys are coming along for the ride with us, so let's go with the show. So that's how easy it is to go on the water, and that's why we love it. We love in the West Coast, right?
Love it.
So yeah, we had some fun yesterday all over. During the weekend, it was fun, especially hanging out with the people. Thank you guys for coming by, saying hi. And today we're just being lazy, but it's like I said, instead of doing barbecue on the backyard, we're gonna do barbecue in the water backyard.
More than a barbecue, we're gonna do a little picnic.
Oh, a picnic?
Yep. I brought some cheese and grapes and apples and sangria.
Ooh, sounds like a plan. So I guess we're starting 2022 the right way.
And the day is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's perfect.
It's a little chilly, but there's a lot of sun.
Yeah, but it's perfect to go at this speed. No faster than this.
No, but it doesn't feel bad. I mean, it doesn't feel cold.
Yeah.
It's good.
Look at the new captain. Captain Big Mama. Oh, the first time on the...
That's the name of the next boat, Big Mama.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. So she's driving. Woo! She's dangerous.
Don't trust her.
She's dangerous.
I don't really trust this captain. Tell them the story of what I did yesterday with her.
Oh, with the throttles, yeah. I told her to click it forward and she put full throttle. Luckily, the engine didn't engage. So I guess by that, I only trust her going idle speed. And now we're gonna speed up and I'm gonna take over the wheel just in case we don't make it to the island. But the question isn't really if she could drive going fast or not. The question is, how long are we gonna last without jackets going fast? Because the problem is this, once we reach open bay going a little bit fast, well, we start to feel the breeze get a little colder. Plus, you add a little sprinkle of water to the mixture of air and it could get pretty chilly. So the real question is, how long is Okita gonna last in her bikini without putting on a jacket? Because she said she wants to get some tanning done. Well, I guess we'll soon find out how long the tan is gonna last. tried to be brave, but the further we get out of the channel, the chillier it got. So we decided we can't hang with it. You know, us Floridians, we can't hang with the cold.
It feels good, but you have to be, of course, you have to be prepared.
It's a little chilly, so we decided to throw on the jackets.
This reminds me when we went to Utah.
What's it, Utah? All right, so I guess we're gonna look for a little island or somewhere that blocks the wind, but I'm not going to the bridge. You guys already know about the bridge, I'm not going there. So I'm gonna try finding another little spot because it's chilly. It's pretty cold. So we'll see what we can find during the week on the west side.
But it's okay, because we have ribeye steak.
Yeah, we'll get warmed up as soon as we find a place. Because we're gonna make some food.
So now we could go a little faster and not worrying about freezing to death in a casual snowstorm. Do you remember the snowing in Florida? But we're not going to worry about snow right now. Actually, we're going to worry about finding a nearby island that looks nice and it blocks the wind. And I think we just found one. I mean, there's people on this side, but we're going to go around the other side. See how it looks. And the name of this island, well, I don't know, but by the end of the video we'll give it a name.
Oh, we got the island for ourselves.
All right, so we made it to the nearest island because it's too cold and too choppy. So I guess we do picnic and shelling. Shell picking? I don't know. So we got the whole thing to ourselves, brother. Check this out, guys. We got the whole little island to ourselves and we're setting up. Check it out. Yeah, perfect. Those trees back there are blocking the wind, so it makes it ideal for us to hang out and do a little bit of lunch. The question is, should I do the barbecue on the boat or just bring it and do it here? I think I'm gonna bring it here. I'm gonna bring the cooler too.
You don't need to. Like,
I'll just bring the steaks.
Yeah,
okay, so welcome to lunch in paradise. Wow, check this out. She's going all out. Look at that.
I said I was doing a picnic.
Yeah, wow.
A picnic includes all this little cute stuff.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, snatch one of these things right quick. Wow, look how cool this is. Like, this can't get any more natural than this. I like it. You get to sit here, enjoy the water, and a picnic. Ah, loving it. Luckily we found this island here because, guys, it must be blowing 25, 30 miles an hour. It's really windy. So right here, it's perfect because it's not far from the house and it's secluded. There's nobody in the water. Liking it. It's going all out. Look at that. It's going all out. Look at that. You know what? It's not that cold here since there's no wind. The whole problem here is the wind. Perfect.
Oh, how fancy.
Wow, they even got cheese and everything. Pretty good. I can't wait, I'm hungry.
Already?
Oh, it's very good. You know what this reminds me of? the days that I go out and I forget to bring the barbecue or the meat, or we don't have nothing at the house and we bring cheese and grapes. But today we got cheese and grapes and steaks. What's that?
And aguacate.
El aguacate, coño. Loving the picnic. Love it because we found the right spot. You like it? I like it. Feel like I'm vacationing somewhere else. All right. Let it heat up. Them New York strips up in there. So check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Nice place to have lunch. Look at her picking shells. Nice place to have lunch, right? Look at that. Having lunch at the secluded island. How pretty. Loving it. Loving it. So let it heat up. Let it heat up. And we're gonna enjoy it here. All right, guys. So I have to move the barbecue to the shore because it's too much wind. And it's turning it off, so we're gonna go here and do it here. Let it warm up. Let it warm up. And throw the steaks up in there. Throw the little New York strippers. There you go. All right, it's time to check, check, check. Boom! Look at that. Sizzling, baby, sizzling. Hear it? You hear it? You almost ready? And you still show picking? Check out the view, guys. Loving it. And loving this even more when it's almost ready. Look at that.
Well, guys, I guess this is one of those situations that plans do change, and you have to adjust and accommodate yourself to the new circumstances because the wind changed and the tide went down.
All right, guys, so we ended up moving. We're moving right now to a different island because the tide got too low and we almost got stuck. And I didn't record it, but it was pretty, Ogita had to help me push the boat. So we're gonna move to another little island nearby and just finish up the steaks. All right, guys, so here it is. We made it to another side of the island because the wind was too much and then the low tide got us. So we're just gonna hang out here and finish up our picnic that I guess Mother Nature had other intents for us between the wind and the low tide. But we moved over to a different side of the island and we're gonna finish up here. And like you noticed, it got cold again. All right, so we're gonna finish up our little romantic scenery here by the bay area. That's it. You know, the Mother Nature beat us.
Make sure it's done.
It's too friggin' cold. It's too cold for us. So we're just gonna finish up with the steaks.
You messed up.
I'm sorry, yeah, I kind of burned it up a little bit, but
You don't cook it like that.
it's the barbecue's fault. It's not the operator, right? It's always the operator. I mean, it's always the machinery, never the operator, I guess.
We have some, ¿cómo se llama eso? Contratiempo.
Look at this. Oh, I ate the whole thing. Burnt and all still tastes good. Well, the good thing is, no matter what, we're still having food, right? That's what counts. The food, and it tastes really good.
You season this with what? Just the salt and
salt and
garlic.
garlic, yeah. So, I mean, I guess, see, this was I'm talking about. Nothing was planned. The island wasn't planned. Getting stuck wasn't planned. Moving to another island wasn't planned. So you see, this show is non-scripted. If it's a show, right? It's a reality show. But so far so good, you know. Don't matter. We're still in the water, still having fun, and enjoying the rest of the day. And definitely enjoying the good food because the steak tastes really good. Look at that. Look at that. I love it when it's so quiet. The wind is blocking. The island is blocking all the wind and the cold. So it makes me feel perfect. Just relaxing out here. Look at that. Can you hear it? Wow, you can hear the wind behind us. But it's here, it's really quiet. Look at it. Well, it's been a pleasure taking you guys along for the ride today. That the only plan we had today was to eat steaks on the grill. Now the question was where, how, and what time. But we found an island nearby that it turned out to be pretty nice. But Mother Nature made us change our plans because she changed the wind direction and the water level. So we had to move along and find another island nearby to finish the steaks. And we got lucky we did because this other location we found was just perfect. Zero wind, zero noise. It was so quiet and peaceful that we could actually hear the water crashing onto the shore from the boat. And that made it perfect to end our day. And it completed our weekend because on Saturday we are hanging out at Halover Sandbar on the East Coast. And now we are hanging out on the West Coast on a secluded island that we had a peaceful time. And we are really thankful that we can do this and at the same time share it with you guys around the world via YouTube. And let's make all our dreams come true for 2022.